Yes, good morning, Madam Jocelyn. Okay, so you receive your shaken massager now. Unboxing. She's unboxing her shaken massager. Okay, take it out. Are you excited?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, give me that here. Give me that here. Okay, so unboxing, yeah. Okay.
Again?
Yeah, open it.
Paano ka bibenta ko?
No. Why you use it for yourself?
I know.
Para lalo kang sumiksi. Tining! That's Jocelyn. Aspiring to become M1.
Amen.
She's one of
Pioneer.
the pioneer, the first
Batch.
one of the first three of my guests when I got started.
Ano
Okay.
bubuksan? Ayan.
Yeah. Open it.
Okay.
Go to the other side. Come to the side so at least you're comfortable.
No, it's
Yeah.
okay now. Oh, okay. Got it.
So that's the no, remove one by one.
Oh, okay. One by one pa.
So be careful. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy.
Ang heavy nga niya.
So okay, so are you excited? So what can you say? What's your goal? To lose weight or to become more sexier than ever?
No, fat burner at the same time back pain.
Oh, the back. Yeah, it will help as well.
Yeah.
Aside from your P90.
Yeah.
All right. So just what can you say about or what can you say about to those who are watching you?
Oh,
Encourage them
yeah,
or
I want to
share or
encourage you to keep on sharing and go for it.
and
You
how
will
about
make it.
how about those guests who are watching? Only yes, of course for those members. Yeah, they can. Hey, don't stop sharing. Share every single day. How about
Yeah.
those guests who are watching you, who doesn't have the shaken massager yet, or even the P90 Plus?
Okay, try it because it's 100% guaranteed that it
You can
will the benefit. Yeah.
you can speak in Tagalog. So like invite guests.
Ginawa mo artista.
Yes, of course. You will become a celebrity. So try niyo yung mga machine.
Yeah,
you know?
try nyo yung mga machine kasi sigurado 100% guaranteed yung benefit na makukuha nyo. Like my P90, yung varicose vein ko kasi from minana ko pa sa nanay ko. Talagang sobrang laki at ang sakit. Hindi ako makatulog pag gabi. Tapos nung ginamit ko na yung P90, nawala na, halos nawawala naman. Hindi naman kasi si Magic at saka nakakatulog na ako without Policat.
So
Kasi lagi ako may
so tuloy-tuloy mo lang siyang ginagamit.
tulog every morning before
Every
I go out.
Go to work.
Go to
Yeah.
work.
Okay, so may disclaimer tayo kasi we are not a medical practitioners, right? So
Yeah, it just
guys, depende sa ito totoong company, Olilife namin is we call it wellness technology. So
Okay.
there's a disclaimer all the time that it will not cure or it will not cure because we are not a medical or we are not a doctor, right?
Yeah.
So it depende sa health conditions.
Yeah.
And this medical wellness technology machine of Olilife is it
help.
could help could
Yeah.
help to get rid of those pains, but again we are not a medical practitioner, so it will vary on the health conditions of people.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so
Happy Valentine's.
and yeah, it's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Happy Hearts Day.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Cheers.